Now I would like to request Vipul Ubale from first standard to come forward and deliver speech.
Good morning to all of my respected chief guests, chairman, principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. As we know, today is a very auspicious day. That's why we all have gathered here to celebrate our National Day. I would like to wish all of you a very happy Independence Day. We cannot forget the sacrifice our great Indian fighters who lost their lives like Mangal Pandey, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, and many more. Because of these heroes, now we are free and our complete right to do anything. Jai Hind. Thank you.